You've probably heard of Parkinsons Law. It basically means that the time it takes to do something is in direct proportion to the amount of time that we allocate to it. So what often happens is we have a long time frame to do something, and guess what? It takes just that long to do. But what if we in fact shortened those time frames and stopped giving yourself so much time? How do you do this? Well, with focus, you can allocate a reasonable amount of time to complete a task and set yourself up so that you are not distracted. So this means switch off your phone, switch off your emails, and focus 100% on the task at hand. If you allocate yourself a realistic period of time to do something, for example, I often allocate writing articles, and I might allocate an hour to push out as many articles as I can. I've already got some framework of what to do, but I know in that point in time I'm going to complete that particular task. I also know that's the only amount of time that I've got. Another analogy might be you just find out you're going to head off on holidays. You soon prioritise the things that need to be done, that have to be done, and you disregard those things that aren't necessary or that can wait till you get back. We tend to fill the available time that we've got in our day, in our week, in our month, in our year with stuff. But is it the right stuff? I think what we need to do is we need to stop giving ourselves too much time to do things and start focusing on getting the stuff that is going to move us forward to where we want to go done.